Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison stopped in Rochester on Tuesday, holding a public listening session on issues impacting Minnesotans statewide, their medical bills. Ellison says he's concerned over billing practices and wants to hear directly from Minnesotans as part of his push to update public policy. ABC 6 News reporter Jordan Sansom was at that listening session where Ellison is really passionate about this issue.
This was the second of two previously announced listening sessions on the topic. It was part of Ellison engaging the scope of the issue and what his office can do to resolve it. Given just 2 minutes to be heard, speakers took the microphone to talk about their experience with medical billing practices and what they say needs to be addressed.
We see this time and time again and more often, and this kind of thing is going to get worse and worse with these billing practices that they are now doing. I know we up in St. Paul, we were taking on Allina, and down here we're taking on Mayo.
According to the speakers, part of the issue can be found right here in Rochester. Mayo Clinic recently started charging patients for messaging their doctor through their online patient portal and also received heavy criticism when they were exempt from the then Keeping Nurses by the Bedside Act. Some say the billing practices hurt patients trying to receive care.
Even if they're either uninsured or underinsured.
Others had opposing experiences, like the Salvation Army in Rochester. They were contacted by a patient that was uninsured and had to pay $5,000 up front at the clinic they were at. The Salvation Army used their connections to Mayo Clinic's charity care services to help the patient get the care they needed.
We at the Salvation Army have found the Mayo Clinic, and especially their charity care program, to be a great support to providing free medical care to the uninsured of our community.
And the issue may go beyond just paying for care. Issues like the cost to receive medical records and the role hospital mergers might play were also discussed. In the end, Ellison expressed his commitment to address the issue with the power of his office.
Even if you did not talk about medical billing, I'm really grateful for your comments, because the truth is that we need to talk about all of it. We want you to know that your Attorney General's office is there to help you, wants to enforce the law, and and wants to make sure that you can afford your life and live with dignity, safety, and respect.
Everyone who wanted to speak at the session had the chance to, and Keith Ellison thanked everyone who shared their story. For those who weren't able to attend but would like to share their medical billing concerns, we'll have a link on our website at KAAL-TV.com. In Rochester, Jordan Sansom, ABC 6 News.